Okay, this lesson is about graphing proportional relationships. Okay, and when we've been doing graphing this year, we've been focusing very primarily on quadrant 1, where the x and the y-axis both are positive numbers. Okay. So when we go to graph an ordered pair, we always look at our two numbers here, which is our x and y. The first number is the x and the second number is the y. So the first number is going to tell us how far we go left or right. It's our run before the jump. So if I have an ordered pair of 1, 2, my first number 1 is going to tell me from the origin, I'm going one spot to the right. If it was negative, it'd go one spot to the left. But because it's positive, it goes one spot to the right, where the positive numbers are on the x-axis. The second number tells us how far up or down to go on the y-axis. Since it's a positive 2, from the origin I'll go up 2. So the ordered pair 1, 2 from the origin goes one spot to the right and up 2 spots. That's why the 1, 2 is right here. One spot right, up 2. The ordered pair 9, 2, the first number being 9 tells us we go 9 spots to the right. And the positive 2 tells us to go up 2 spots. That's why 9, 2 is here. The last ordered pair is 4, 8. The 4 tells us we go 4 spots to the right, and the 8 tells us we go 8 spots up on the y-axis. That's why it ends up here. The origin is an important term we need to remember. The origin is at the point 0, 0. It's where we always start when graphing our ordered pairs. Okay, one last bit here. If we're looking at the ordered pairs from a table, remember that my first column will always be the x's and my second will be the y's, just like in the alphabet. So the ordered pair 1, 2 would look like this. 4, 8, and 9, 2. So last slide here. If we're graphing proportional relationships, remember that for a graph to be proportional, it must follow two rules. One, it must be a straight line, and it must pass through the origin. So this first graph here is proportional because it is a straight line and it passes through the origin. The second one is non-proportional. It is a straight line, however, it does not pass through the origin. So this one is non-proportional because it does not pass through the origin. This third one is also non-proportional. Yes, it does pass through the origin, however, it is not a straight line. So this one would be non-proportional. So this one would be proportional. This is non-proportional. And non-proportional.